Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Natasha.
And my name is Lily.
Panthers, last Friday we had an amazing turnout for the BSU's Fashion and Talent Show. Of course, as we expected.
Definitely. At this event, there were times such as singing, dancing, instruments playing, and even some original reading pieces.
Not only that, but we also cannot forget about the fashion part of this event. All the dresses, colorful, vibrant clothing, and don't get me started on the wonderful outfits everyone had on.
Directly from WPNN, we want to say thank you to everyone who took part in this event. You were all absolutely wonderful. Here are some highlights from the show.
Over the last couple months, our ceramic students here at Heritage have been working on a really special project.
Yes, and these students finally got to show them off too. Early in the year, students from Lockmore Elementary drew a monster, and the students here at Heritage brought these so-called monsters into pottery form.
Thank you to all the ceramic students here for making these kids' dreams come true. And also thanks to Ms. Rodriguez for making these trips possible.
Attention, and are you or anyone you know interested in joining Heritage High School's band, or even joining a band camp to get a feel for things? Well then, this announcement is for you.
Whether you're interested in doing percussions, dance, wind, flag, or even being a pianist, we've got you covered. For everyone who joins Heritage has a rookie camp as well as a regular band camp.
If you or someone you know is interested, we have the dates listed on the screen now. If you would like to join, scan the QR code as well.
Remember what we said about pianists as well? Heritage is also looking for someone who plays the piano. All levels of skills are welcome.
Speaking of all levels, Chess Club wants you to join. Even if you don't 100% know how to play chess, that's okay. In this club, you will learn the fundamentals of playing the game. If you are interested, attend today after school in room 4207.
Students, our Future Educators of America Club is hosting a fundraiser. 25% of these sales get donated directly to this cause.
The fundraiser will be at Chipotle tomorrow from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. You can also online order pickup with the code shown on the screen now, or you can show them the flyer for this event.
Panthers, for any of you wishing to have a yearbook this school year, you can buy one now.
The link for the 24 to 25 yearbook is on the screen now. If you would like to order your yearbook, visit the link on the screen and order yours today.
Attention, all students, this is your weekly reminder to bring your IDs.
But don't just bring your ID, you are required to wear your ID at all times. If you do not have your ID, you will get a lunch detention, and if it continues, this will result in a 2-hour detention.
Also, Heritage bathrooms will now be closed from 3:25 every day. If you need to use the restroom in case of emergencies, you can find a staff member in the courtyard for assistance.
Now in senior news, the senior superlatives are now available for voting. Senior superlatives is a chance to acknowledge your fellow classmates for their unique traits that make them them.
For voting topics such as best dressed to class clown, you get to vote which senior fits the section best.
The voting for this form ends today, so don't wait. Fill out the form and submit your top picks today.
Attention, all seniors. Students of 2025 Heritage Yard signs are now on sale for only $20. These signs will be customized with your senior photo or photo of choice with your name.
You can buy yours today by first opening your focus page, select purchase and pay, then add your senior yard sign to the cart.
After you purchase, you must email your preferred picture and your name for your sign to Coach Stingle. This email is on screen now.
The Brevard School Foundation is offering all seniors in Brevard County 60 different scholarships. These scholarships get seniors options of certain scholarships that will help them in the future. The deadline for these scholarship applications is March 9th. Scan the code on the screen now for more information.
For any seniors going to college or trade school, fill out the FAFSA for free money. To start this process, both the students and parents must create their FAFSA ID, and it must be before you can start your FAFSA application.
For anyone who needs help with this process, here are some websites that could help.
Speaking of applications, for anyone who has not yet completed your Bright Futures application, visit this website above.
Any seniors looking for more scholarships, check out the 24 to 25 scholarship link on Heritage Guidance webpage. Or you can even use the scholarship search engines as well.
Now sports news, WPNN would like to congratulate Heritage's two state qualifiers, Ben Gordon and Harper Noel. We all look forward to seeing you both succeed.
Also in sports news, cheer tryouts are coming soon. March 27th is the official tryout day for all potential or current cheerleaders. For junior varsity, your tryouts will be at 5 p.m. For varsity, your tryouts will be at 4 p.m.
If you're interested, you must have a fully completed physical pack from your doctor. For more information, please contact Ms. Furides.
Tonight at 6 p.m., our JV baseball team goes against MCC.
Also tonight at 6 p.m., our softball team takes on Sebastian River.
On Monday, our JV baseball team takes on Bayside at 6 p.m.
On Tuesday, our softball team goes against Morningside at 6 p.m.
Okay. And finally, on Wednesday, our JV baseball team goes against Cocoa Beach at 6 p.m.
That's all the news for this week, Panthers. Thank you for watching. Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue! Yeah! We're done!
We're actually free this time. Now, in senior news, the senior superlatives are now available for voting.
Superlative. I couldn't think I wouldn't catch that.
Keep talking? I'm talking.
Do it again.
Do what again?
La, la, la,
Give-
la, 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 la.
Oh!
Free! We're free!
No, not.
Do it.
It's got
You got that
forehead.
Sit there.
Wait, what do we have to redo? Can't I just be embarrassed in front of the school and just say words wrong?
Come on.
Back to white, John.
It's still recording.
Oh.
Bye bye, camera.
Bye. I'll turn you off.
Night night.